In the name of Allah. Hello, my dear students in our distance learning by Mr. مسعد Saber and the English supervisor, Mr. Ahmed Sherbini. Allows private school for boys. Traveler 4, lesson 19, pages 56 and 57. Exercises. Okay, let's go to your notes on this page. Please, my dear students, open your notes on page 56 to answer all the questions. Like you see here, there are some words in the boxes. I want you to choose the right word and put it into or in the right place. Use the correct form of the word to complete the sentences. Okay, number 1. I still have a large spaces of work to do. And number 2, he was fined an spaces of $500 for not paying his electricity bill. And I told you before, the word sum means an amount of money. And the word amount is a collection of something we cannot be counted. So, what is the right answer for number 1 and for number 2? Good. Number 1 is the word amount, and number 2, the word sum. Okay, let's go to number 3 and 4. The words abandon and the word evacuate. Number 3, Omar decided to spaces his university studies in favor of getting a full-time job. And number 4, the firefighters ordered the residents to spaces the building immediately. The word abandon means to leave a place or to leave things or person forever. And evacuate means to move people from a dangerous place to somewhere safe. So, what is the right answer for number 3 and for number 4? Good. Number 3, the word abandon. And number 4, the word evacuate. Good. There is another box with 3 words: engine, machine, machinery. What does these words mean? At first, let's read the sentences, then I will give you the meaning for them. Number 5, we need new washing spaces. And number 6, they transported the spaces for the new factory in several cargo ships. 7, they believe the airplane was experiencing spaces troubles before it landed. The word engine means a machine that uses the energy from liquid, fuel, or steam to produce movement. But the word machine means a piece of equipment with several moving parts which uses power to do a particular type of work. And the word machinery means a group of large machines or the parts of a machine which make it work. So, number 5, what is the right word? Good. The right word here is machine. And number 6, excellent. Number 6 is the word machinery. Then number 7 is the word engine. Okay. Let's go to the last box with the words factory and industry. Let's read first the sentences and then I will give you the meaning for them to guess or to choose the correct word for each sentence. Number 8, the computer spaces has undergone massive changes in the last 20 years. Number 9, his father worked in a chocolate spaces for nearly 40 years. Okay? The word factory means a building or a set of buildings where large amounts of goods are made using machines. But the word industry means the companies and activities involved in the process of producing goods for sale, especially in a factory or special area. So the right answer for number 8 is good, industry. And number 9, the word factory. Good, my dear students. Let's go to page 57. Here, I'd like you to complete the sentences with the prepositions in the box. Here in the box, there are some prepositions. We must use them in the correct sentence. Number 1, Mr. Anderson is in charge spaces the marketing department. What is the right preposition? Good. The right preposition is of, because we say in charge of. Number 2, spaces behalf of the local animal welfare society. I would like to thank the town council for the support. Here, what we need from these prepositions? Good. Here we need the word or the preposition on behalf. Number 3, are you in favor spaces banning cars from the city center? Good. The right preposition here is of, in favor of. Number 4, the statue in front of the town hall was placed there spaces memory of the soldiers killed in the World War. And this means second. Okay, we can say the Second World War. Okay, what is the preposition we need here in this sentence? Please, my dear students, open your notes on this page, page 57, to follow me and to choose the right preposition to complete the sentences. Okay, here we need the preposition in the memory of the soldiers. Okay, here we use in like you see, placed there in memory, like I told you. Number 5, Tom is very mature in comparison spaces other children of his age. What is the right preposition we must use here? Good. We can use here to or with. Good. We can use to or with, in comparison to or comparison with. And number 6, I am not really in the mood spaces Chinese food, let's order pizza. What is the right preposition here with this word? In the mood, what? Good. 4. The right preposition here is for. We must say, I am not really in the mood for Chinese food, let's order pizza. Pizza. Number 7. I am writing in connection spaces the article you published about the environmental pollution. Good. Here we must use the preposition with, in connection with the article. Number 8, the local residents have spoken out spaces support of the Save Blackwood Forest organization. What is the right preposition here? Excellent. It's the preposition in, have spoken out in support. Number 9, spaces regard to the problem of rubbish disposal. I think we should encourage people to recycle. What is the right preposition for number 9? Good. We can use here with or in, with regard to or in regard to. The last question for today is number 10. The coastline has been seriously polluted spaces a result of an oil spill. Yes, here we must use as. Excellent, my dear students. Now let's go to our end for today. In the end, I'd like to thank you for your follow. I hope you answered all the questions in your notes with me. Thank you, and follow me in the next video, lesson 20, page 58. Goodbye.